A major debate has started in Karnataka over government job recruitment and reservation. The state cabinet is now expected to discuss the issue of internal reservation while filling thousands of government vacancies. The update was shared by Karnataka Home Minister G. Parameshwara on Thursday. According to him, the cabinet will once again review how internal reservation should be applied during the recruitment process for government jobs. Right now, the government has already announced recruitment for 56,432 vacant posts in the government sector. But the process has triggered a political and social debate. The issue is mainly about how reservation should be given within the scheduled caste community. In Karnataka, there are two major groups within the SC category. The SC left group, mainly represented by the Madiga community, and the SC right group, mainly represented by the Holaya community. These two groups currently have different opinions on how recruitment should happen. The Madiga community, which falls under SC left, has been demanding internal reservation for decades. They believe jobs should be distributed within the SC quota in a more balanced way among different subgroups. On the other hand, the Holaya community, which belongs to SC right, has supported the government's decision to go ahead with recruitment without applying internal reservation for now. At the moment, the state government has decided to conduct recruitment using the old reservation system that existed before December 28, 2022. Under that earlier system, the reservation quota was 15 for scheduled castes, 3% for scheduled tribes. This temporary decision was taken because the new increased reservation quota and internal reservation are currently under legal challenge in court. To understand the issue better, we need to go back to the previous government. The earlier Bharatiya Janata Party government had increased the reservation quotas in Karnataka. They raised the SC reservation from 15 to 17% and the ST reservation from 3 to 7%. Because of this change, the total reservation in the state went up to 56%. However, this crossed the 50% limit set by the Supreme Court, which is why the matter is currently under litigation. Meanwhile, the current Indian National Congress government had proposed another step. It planned to provide internal reservation within the 17% SC quota using what is known as the 665 formula, which divides the quota among different SC subgroups. But because the issue is still in court, the government decided to move ahead with recruitment using the older system for now. This decision led to fresh disagreements between communities and also within political circles. Speaking to reporters, Home Minister G. Parameshwara explained the situation. He said the government has already taken a decision to provide internal reservation. But he also pointed out that there are technical issues related to classification and preparing of the foster, which decides how jobs are distributed among categories. He said these concerns will be discussed again in the cabinet before taking any final decisions. When asked about the demand from SC left groups to apply internal reservation even within the 15% SC quota during recruitment, he responded clearly. He said this needs to be discussed in the cabinet. There are also reports of different opinions among ministers. But Parameshwara said that such disagreements are normal in a democracy. In his word, there will always be difference of opinion, but the cabinet will take a decision in the larger interest. The opposition BJP has also criticized the government and demanded that recruitment should follow the full 56% reservation structure, which also considering internal reservation. However, Parameshwara dismissed this criticism. He said the BJP is playing politics. According to him, the BJP also knows that 56% reservation cannot be implemented right now because of legal restrictions. But they are raising the issue for political reason. Meanwhile, the matter has also reached the national leadership of the Congress party. On Wednesday, several senior SC ministers and leaders from Karnataka met Mallikarjun Kharge, who is the president of Indian National Congress, to discuss the internal reservation issue. However, Parameshwara clarified that the meeting was simply to inform Kharge about the situation. He said they approached him as the AICC president, not as someone representing a particular community. He also confirmed that no other issues were discussed during the meeting. So far now, the final decision on internal reservation and recruitment rules will depend on what the Karnataka cabinet decides in its upcoming discussions. And with more than 56 government jobs involved, the outcome of this debate could have a big impact on thoughts of job aspirants across the state.